How to fix Rheem water heater pilot light won't stay lit. First, make sure you're lighting the pilot correctly. Put the gas control in pilot and follow the lighting instructions printed on your specific Rheem water heater. After the pilot ignites, continue holding the pilot control for the amount of time specified by the model's instructions before releasing it. If the flame goes out immediately when you release the control, the flame sensing system may not be detecting the pilot properly. Step 2. Check the pilot flame. Look through the viewing window and observe the pilot flame. You want to see a steady flame properly contacting the flame sensing component. Rheem has documented pilot outage issues caused by the pilot assembly being positioned incorrectly on certain models. Step 3. Check for obvious airflow or vent problems. Make sure the area around the heater isn't obstructed and that venting isn't visibly blocked. On direct vent remodels, Rheem says venting problems or strong wind affecting the outdoor vent can cause pilot outage situations. Step 4. Check the gas supply. Make sure the gas supply valve is fully open. If other gas appliances in the house are also having problems, that can point toward a gas supply issue rather than the water heater itself. Step 5. If it still won't stay lit, possible causes can include the flame sensing thermocouple system, pilot assembly, gas valve, gas pressure, or venting. Rheem's technical documentation shows that a persistent pilot outage problems can require testing and component replacement by a qualified technician. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.